Do you want to see your watched history on Instagram? You can check Instagram Reels watched history with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see your Reels video watch history on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select your activity. A new screen will appear with different activity options. Scroll down to the How You Use Instagram section. Now, under this section, find and tap on Watch History. Here, you will see all the video content you've watched on Instagram. You can also sort by older, newer, month, or author. By checking this, you can review what you've recently watched on Instagram.